Oh my god.
You're gonna eventually have to get out somehow, so I know.
He's off-roading in a Camaro. Jesus fucking Christ.
You need a lift kit. Look out for the stick!
Pull out the stick.
Yeah, move that stick out of the way. Ah, motherfucker!
There you go. Keep the momentum going. Oh my god. We got a long ways to go. Look at that.
Don't hit that one.
Yeah, don't hit the big one. That's damaging.
Oh, you're kidding.
Holy fuck. My dad's probably gonna come bitching.
You didn't even see him.
No, probably not. The cornfield's kind of hiding.